What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. For all you new subscribers, I'd like to say thank you for subscribing. You know, that really helps the channel out. And to those who have not subscribed and are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I got a lot of content going on for this car right here, Tsx. So let me update you guys on what's been going on and what we're gonna do today. I recently got the rear A-spec lift. It's the it was the fiberglass rep from Area Works, and honestly this thing is horrible. Like, I give it a 4 out of 10 stars. This thing is no good. I tried my best to make it fit as best as possible. I had to sand down a lot of the sections in order to make it feel flush, but let me just show you guys so you can see. I had to put some 3M tape on the inside, and then there's a gap, that's why. So if I put the 3M tape all the way around, it'll make it more flush. But if you look back here, there's a big gap here. So yeah, the fitment is not great. I don't have it bolted up here, but I on the other side I'll show you how it looks. From far it doesn't look bad. It looks pretty good. But on this side, as you can see, the gap is much wider. But what I did was, my boy gave me this strip here. It's like a side skirt guard trim. So this side is not bolted up, but if I do pull this side down, the back goes more flushed. So as you can see, it's making contact and the line is much straighter. I think I'm gonna just bolt it up on this side while holding it, so that the back doesn't look too crazy or gapped out. That's the update right now. I don't think it's worth it, but if you guys want to, you know, buy it and, you know, put it on your car, then just hit me up and I'll let you know where to get it from. And let me just update you on what we're gonna do today. Right here, we got the Rbc Manifold. I painted it wrinkle black. I think it came out okay. But yeah, we're gonna take out the stock one and we're gonna put the RBC in. I'm not gonna do a step-by-step. I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm doing along the way. I got most of my information from the Facebook Acura page. Shouts out to the dude that helped me with the information. We're also gonna do the K tune. We're gonna add a little tune to this. So we're gonna take this out. I also have to modify the intake, so I'm gonna have to cut that. I'm gonna have to reroute the map sensor so that it plugs up to the RBC one. Then I also have to extend one of the coolant hoses. But yeah, I'll just update you guys along the way. Let's just get this removed. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So I gotta take out the fuel rail. I have to unplug this. I have to take out this hose here. Take out the bolts. I have to take out the throttle body also. I'm gonna still hold the throttle. We're gonna still use this throttle body. So yeah, let me just unplug everything and see how we're gonna remove this. So I'll update you guys when I got that out. Alright guys, quick little update. I was trying to take it out from here, but for some reason it's bolted onto some bracket here and doesn't want to come out. And then I can't get to these bolts right here. So right now I'm trying to take out the injectors to see if I can take the fuel rail out, and it'll give me some space to take it out. So yeah, that's what we're up to now. Alright, so manifold is out. So right now I'm just trying to take the starter out because I ordered a new one, because this one here is, you know, it's not good. I was banging it in order to start the car. It's, you know, it was time for a new one, so why not take advantage now and, you know, get this replaced. And then we're gonna slap everything back on and hopefully, you know, we get a tune going and the car starts. Alright guys, so we got it all mounted up. We're just sanding it down so we can have some ground. And then I'm gonna try to explain what we did. Alright guys, so the camera died. I went to get another battery. I also came to get what we need. I'm gonna explain to you guys everything that I did in terms to the swap. I'm back. Woo, I got a battery. So what we did was we swapped out this hose here for our new one. This one we rerouted it into the throttle body. This one stays the same. This one we extended. That's a coolant hose. And then we also changed out this one to go under here because it was too long. And then there was a solenoid that was here with two small hoses that go into the bottom of the TSX intake and into the motor mount. That one we completely deleted because there's no use for it anymore. And that is this plug here. So we could just, I'm gonna just tuck this somewhere. We don't need that. And that's pretty much what you need to do in order to do an RBC manifold swap for the TSX. As you can see, is running. We were just bleeding the coolant. And the idle is perfect. Check engine light is because I don't have the intake on with the plug. And now we're just gonna program the K tuner.
See? Would you like to lock?
Yeah.
Yes. Press OK. That's it, bro. That's it. It's locked now.
Oh.
Turn it off, disconnect it, then we go to my main crib. Plug that to the computer, and then you just fuck around on the tune and shit.
Lit. We're about to have a pop tune.
My nigga hype. New starter, new manifold.
You right?
New tune. Shit.
You want to see George coming down like what? Guys, it's official. George is going nitrous. So what you guys think? 100 shot or 150 shot? Drop the comments below. And whoever guesses it, we're gonna do it. Nah, I'm just playing. We can't do it.
Got him! Got him!
Yeah.
It's too beastie. Alright, do it again, do it again, do it again. You gonna do drive by? Alright, bet.
Just hold my focus.
I got you.
I got you. I'll put my phone right. Nah, we stand on that shit.
Yeah.
Niggas gotta run us over.
I've been waiting for a whole year for this. God damn.
That shit is dead, just scraping.